Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. In this video we are going to discuss about the next central tendency, that is mod. Mod means actually it is the most repeated value, or mod is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. Mod is the most repeated value, or mod is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. In a grouped frequency distribution, okay, in a grouped frequency distribution, that means if your information is given in the class interval form, okay, in a grouped frequency distribution means the information is given in the class interval form. It is not possible to determine the mod by looking at the frequencies. Okay, it is not possible for us to find out the mod by looking at the frequencies. Okay, here we can only locate a class with the maximum frequency. Class with maximum frequency that we can locate. This class is called model class. This class is called model class. Then what is model class? Model class is the class with maximum frequency. Model class is the class with the maximum frequency. Then we have one formula to find out the mod. In this case, we have one formula to find out the mod in the case of grouped frequency distribution. That is, mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Thus, L means lower limit of the model class. L means lower limit of the model class, and F1 means frequency of the model class. F1 means frequency of the model class, and F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Frequency of the class preceding model class, and F2 means frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H means size of the class interval. H is equal to size of the class interval. Okay, so in the case of grouped frequency distribution, we can't find out the mod by looking at the frequencies. By looking at the frequencies, we can locate the model class. Model class means class with the maximum frequency. And if you want to find out the mod of a grouped frequency distribution, we have one formula, and that formula is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And thus L is lower limit of the model class, and F1 means frequency of the model class, F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class, F2 means frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H size of the class interval, assuming all class sizes to be equal. Now we are going to do the problems. In exercise 14.2, first question, we need to find mod and mean in this question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. First question. So the given information is age is given, age, a number of patients. Number of patients is also given. age 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, and 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Okay, and the number of patients 6, patients 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Okay, this is our given information. Age and number of patients is given, and for this information we need to find out the mode and mean. Find the mode and the mean of the data. Okay, that is our question. So first we are going to find out the mode. If you want to find out the mode, first we need to locate the model class. We need to locate the model class. Just look at this. The model class means the class with the maximum frequency or class with the highest frequency. What is our highest frequency? Just look at the second column. Here the highest frequency is 23. So the model class is 35 to 45 with the frequency 23. Okay, model class is 35 to 45 with the frequency 23. Right? Now, mode is equal to, what is our formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And here L is the lower limit of your model class. Here the lower limit is 35. And F1, that is the F1 is the frequency of model class 23. F0 is the frequency of the preceding frequency of the class which preceding the model class. Okay, preceding, that is 21. And F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Okay, the frequency of the class immediately after the model class, that is 14. And H you can find by using the formula upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, H means the class size, that is upper limit minus lower limit. You can take any class. So 45 minus 35, that is 10. So H is equal to 10. We got all the values. Just substitute this value in this equation. So L 35 plus 23 minus 21 divided by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. 35 plus 23 minus 21 divided by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. And this is equal to 35 plus 2 by 11 into 10. That is equal to 35 plus 20 by 11. It is equal to 35 plus 1.8 approximately equal to 36.8 years approximately. 36.8 years approximately. So we got the mode of the given information. Now we are going to find out the mean. Mean of the same information we need to find. So Fi is given. Next one is class mark. That is Xi. Class mark lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Thus summation Fi, that is equal to 80. Summation Fi, we will get it as 80. Now I'm going to choose A is equal to 40. So Di is equal to Xi minus 40. That is 10 minus 40, that is minus 30. 10 minus 20 minus 40 minus 20. minus 10, 0, 10, 20. And now FIDI. FIDI is equal to minus 180, minus 220, minus 210, 0, 140, 100. The summation of this column we will get it as minus 370. Summation of that column we will get it as minus 370. Okay, that means by assumed mean method, x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi, and here the value of a is 40. 40 minus 370 divided by 80. 40 minus 370 divided by 80, and this is equal to 40 minus 4.63 approximately equal to 35.37 years approximately. 35.37 years approximately. So the interpretation: maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8 years, because our mod is equal to 36.8 years approximately. So the maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8 years approximately, while on an average the age of a patient admitted to the hospital is 35.37 years approximately. Now second question. Second question. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifetimes of the components. We need to find out the mod of the given information. The lifetimes and frequency is given. Lifetime is 0 to 20. 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. And frequency 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Okay, now just look at the frequency column. We need to find out the model class. Model class is the class with the highest frequency. Model class is the class with the highest frequency, and here the highest frequency is 61. So the model class is 60 to 80. Model class is 60 to 80, and here h is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. 8 minus 60, that is 20. And L is equal to lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of the model class is 60. And F1 is equal to frequency of the model class, that is 61. And F0, that is the frequency of the class which is preceding the model class, 52. And F2, frequency of the class which is succeeding the model class, that is 38. So we got all the informations. So we are going to apply the formula. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And this is equal to L plus. So 60 plus 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. And thus we will get it as 60 plus 45 by 8 is equal to 60 plus 5.625 approximately. So the final answer is the mod, that is equal to 65.625 approximately. Therefore, the model lifetimes of the components is 65.625 hours. Third question. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find mean monthly expenditure. So in this question we need to find mod and mean. Third one. So expenditure, that is our first expenditure, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, and 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. And number of families, 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. First we are going to find out the mod. For that we need to look at the model class. Class with the highest frequency. Here the highest frequency is 40. So the class with the highest frequency is 1500 to 2000. That is our model class. So L is equal to 1500, lower limit of the model class. H is equal to 2000 minus 1500, that is 500. And F1 frequency of the model class, F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class, F2 frequency of the class which is succeeding the model class, 33. Now mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And this is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24 divided by 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 23 into 500. This is 1500 plus 8000 divided by 23 we will get. That is equal to 1500 plus 347.83. It is equal to 1847.83 approximately. 1847.83 approximately. Therefore, the model monthly expenditure of the families is rupees 1847.83 approximately. Now we are going to find out the mean. So class mark xi, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 1250, 1750, 2250, 2750, 3250, 3750, 4250, 4750. And here I am going to choose the value of A as 3250. So di is equal to xi minus 3250, and that we will get it as minus 2000 minus 1500 minus 1000 minus 500 0 500 1000 1000 500. Now Fi into di, that is minus 48,000 minus 60,000 minus 33,000 minus 14,000 0 and 11,000 16,000, 10,500. The sum of this column we will get it as minus 117,500. The summation of Fi, that is 200. So we got summation Fi di and summation Fi. So by using the assumed mean method, x bar is equal to a plus summation Fi di divided by summation Fi. And this is equal to a is 3250 minus 117,500 divided by 200. 3250 minus 117,500 divided by 200, and this is equal to 3250 minus 587.50 equal to 2,662.50. 2,662.50. Hence, the mean monthly expenditure is rupees 2,662.5 and the model monthly expenditure is rupees 1847.83 approximately. Now, fourth question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in high secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. We need to find mode and mean of the data. So the given information is 15 to 20, number of students per teacher, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 40, 45 to 50 and 50 to 55. The number of states 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Okay. Now first we are going to find out the mod. So the class with the highest frequency, that is 30 to 35. So this is our model class. L is equal to lower limit of the model class 30 and F1 is equal to frequency of the model class 10. F0 is equal to frequency of the class which is preceding the model class 9. F2 is equal to frequency of the model class succeeding frequency of the class which is exceeding the model class 3, and H is equal to 35 minus 30, that is 5. So mod is equal to L plus 30 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And this is equal to 30 plus 5 by 8 we will get. And this is equal to 30 plus 30.6 we will get. Hence the mod of the given data is 30.6. Now we are going to find out the mean for that class interval. Okay, xi, this is our fi. So xi values, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, 52.5. Now fi xi is 52.5, 180, 247.5, 325, 112.5, 0, 0 and 105. And the summation of fi xi we will get it as 1022.5. And summation of fi, that is 35. Okay, summation of fi xi, here I am going to use the direct method. So summation fi xi is 1022.5 and summation fi is 35. So x bar is equal to, by using the direct method, summation fi xi divided by summation fi, this is equal to 1022.5 divided by 35 equal to 29.214 approximately.